हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम अपनी नेक्स्ट जीके की क्लास को स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द वेवलेंथ ऑफ विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम? सॉरी, व्हाट इज़ द वेवलेंथ ऑफ विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम? 3900 टू 7600 एंगस्ट्रम। The fragments of which comet system collided with Jupiter in July 1994? Shoemaker-Levy. Next, the National Housing Bank was set up in India as a wholly owned subsidiary of which bank? Reserve Bank of India (RBI). Wine production is mainly carried out in natural region, Mediterranean regions. Which was the most important factor in transforming ancient Indian society into feudal society? Practice of land grants. Which animal resemble most to human being in terms of physical and mental capability? Chimpanzees. Next, from where can member of parliament claim immunity? From civil case only. Salt of which element pre-white color to fireworks? Strontium and barium. Strontium, sorry, and barium. Next, where are the Postas temperate grassland? Hungary. Next, which was the Chola king who conquered the northern part of Sri Lanka and made it province of his empire? Rajaraja. Next, where is the largest automobile manufacturing center in the world located? Detroit. ORT, oral rehydration therapy, is associated with the treatment of which disease? Diarrhea. To suspect HIV or AIDS in young individual, which symptoms is mostly associated with? Chronic diarrhea. Which is the chief industry of Afghanistan? Carpet making. Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq transfer his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? To control South India better? With which the executive power relating to concurrent subject remain the center? We cannot see during a fog. Why? Because of scattering of light. Which situation make a firm most efficient? Lowest average cost. Silk textile are mainly produced in which countries? China and India. The Portuguese traveler Nonzi visited Vijayanagar during this region of which ruler? Achutya Rai. Now recheck the questions. Next, in human body, which are the leg bones? Humerus and femur. When the vice president acts as a president, he gets the emolument of which post? President. Which of the following is good nuclear fuel? Plutonium 239. Plutonium 239. All the watches of a country are set according to which time? Standard time of the country. Near the bank of which river execution have brought to light that Indus Valley civilization percolated to far south? Krishna. Which book is entitled as a Bible of Communism? Das Kapital. Who is popularly known as a Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. In metabolism, how enzyme acts as a catalyst? If it is 4 p.m. on Monday at 150 degree west, what will at the time of 150 degree east? 12 noon on Tuesday. The term Nishka, which meant an ornament in the Vedic period, was used in latrines. What did it denote? A coin. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from which country? England. Which is the essential element in all organic compounds? Carbon. Which is the oldest stock exchange of India? Bombay Stock Exchange. What are the temperate laws superpolar law pressure belts? Which is the tile earliest Buddhist literature that deal with the stories of the various birth of Buddhas? Jatakas. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan distinguished himself in which field? Agriculture. By which plant is the maximum fixation of solar energy done? Green plants. In which year was the first no confidence motion moved in the Lok Sabha after independence 1963? Which hot and dry winds that help in the ripening or grape in the Alps region? Fohin. Which language was used in the literature for Sangam period? Tamil. Now recheck the questions. Next, Amartya Sen, the NRI Nobel Literature, got the honor for which work? Poverty and Families. Where did India made her debut on Olympic football? London in 1948. Which plant is used for the green manufacturing in India? Sunhemp. Which city is known as the Manchester of South India? Coimbatore. The government of India has decided to declare river as a national river, Ganga. What does the preamble of our constitution contain? The spirit of constitution. Which energy of the electrons at absolute zero is called Fermi energy? What is the essential attribute of inflation? Increase in price. Which is city is the what is the essential attribute of inflammation? Increase in price. Which city is known as a silk wearing industry? Kanchipuram. Which Rajputa king defeated Muhammad Gauri for first time? Prithviraj third. Where were first Olympic Games held? 776 before Christ. What is the characteristic of odor of garlic? A sulfur compound. The source of India sovereignty lie in which thing? Permeable to the constitution. What can be maximum duration of the totality for a solar eclipse? 7 minutes 40 seconds. Which region of India was ruled by Sultan Zainul Abdin? Kashmir. Which is the vitamin that is mostly readily manufactured in our bodies? Vitamin D. The celebrated novel The Godfather was authorized by which author? Mario Puzo. What is the best mean for saving during inflation? Money. What is the total surface of area of Earth? 510 million square kilometer. Sirjodola was defeated by Lord Clive in which battle? Plassey. Now recheck the questions and thank you so much.